morning everyone. Today I am going to talk about the Indian flag. The Indian flag is an important symbol for the country as it regards the people. The top and saffron color indicating the strength and courage of the country. The white middle belt indicates the peace and truth with the Ashoka Chakra. The light green belt indicates the peace and truth.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning everyone. Present here. I am going to speak about national flag, Tiranga. It has three colors, saffron, white and green. Saffron represents courage, white represents peace, green represents faith. Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Darvika Reddy. I am studying UKG Tom and Jerry. Today I am telling you about Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated on 15th August every year. It is celebrated on 78th Independence Day. Independence Day teaches us the power of unity. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country very much. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, teachers. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Pranati. I am studying in UKG Tom and Jerry. I am going to speak on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. It is National Festival of India. We hoist national flag on this day. Many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and so on sacrificed their lives during freedom struggle. Independence Day teaches about the power of unity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram.